Forget death by PowerPoint. Boring presentations are now a relic of the past. The future is here, guys, and it's powered by AI. On this very channel, we explore the cutting edge of tech with our precious Decktopians. And once again, today we're diving into the amazing world of AI presentations. I suggest you buckle up because things are going to get mind-blowing. Okay, we all know that AI can suggest slide layouts or do grammar checks. But if you ask me, it's just child's play. We're talking next level intelligence here. So let's see what AI is up to in the foreseeable future. AI co-authoring. Imagine an AI that's your partner in presentation crime fighting. It can delve into your topic, surfacing obscure research papers and forgotten industry trends. It can then use this knowledge to uncover hidden connections and insights you might have missed, and then draft compelling narratives that resonate with your audience. Need a data-driven approach? No problem. Your AI teammate can analyze complex data sets and translate them into clear, impactful visuals. And the good news is you don't have to wait for that one. Because Decktopian AI analyzes your topic with smart questions and picks the best fit for your slides, all tailored to your specific needs. Still not a Decktopian? Go to www.decktopian.com right after you watch this video and meet our beloved Deckto. Real-time audience analysis. Forget static presentations. AI will be just like a mind reader for your audience. Through facial recognition and sentiment analysis, it can gauge how people are reacting to your content in real time. Is a key point confusing them? The AI will nudge you to provide clarification on the fly, perhaps by suggesting a simpler analogy or a contrasting visualization. Is a particular section dragging? It might suggest picking up the pace or incorporating a quick interactive element to boost engagement, like a live poll or a Q&A session. Immersive storytelling. Presentations will not just be seen, they will be experienced. Imagine a sales pitch where you walk clients through a virtual product prototype, complete with 3D demonstrations and interactive features. AI will create these immersive AR/VR environments that put your audience right in the heart of your story. Let's say you're a travel agent showcasing a new luxury resort. With AI, you can whisk your audience away on a virtual tour, letting them explore the panoramic ocean views from their balcony or relax by the sparkling pool. Personalized delivery. AI speech coaches will analyze your voice patterns and suggest improvements for clarity, impact, and even adapt your style to different audience segments. Need to energize a room full of entrepreneurs? The AI will recommend a more dynamic and conversational approach, peppered with anecdotes and humor, of course. Presenting to a board of seasoned executives, it can help you refine your delivery for a more authoritative tone, emphasizing data and statistics to build a strong case. Don't be a presenter stuck in the past. The future of presentations is really intelligent, and the power to create them is at your fingertips. And the burning question here is this: are you more of a traditionalist, or are you ready to embrace the new AI era? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next episode.